Hello guys, today I bring for you micro twist. Oh, this hair, it's really nice. It's really nice, makes you comfortable. If you don't want heavy things, now you're supposed to use this. Okay guys, so this hair, if you want or if you like, you can use person twist or selfie twist. You understand? It's really nice, makes you feel comfortable. If you don't like uncomfortable things, I suggest you to use this, and I bring for you beautiful simple braids. It's really nice. Now you can see this. It's really nice. It's not heavy. Okay guys, look at this braid. It's really simple and nice. Oh my god, look at this. It's really so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. It's not heavy, actually. It's not heavy. Simple and nice. Okay, look at this. This is so nice. And this is, it's called a spring twist. This is micro twist. Okay, even this one, this is spring twist. So you can use even you can use selfie, and you can use person twist. It's really nice. It's really nice. So it makes you comfortable. If you don't like it to play the braids, long braids, heavy braids, I suggest you to use this. Okay, it's, look at this. It's so nice, neat, lovely. Okay guys, if you braid this, you look cute. Oh my god. Actually, this hair, you can stay with this hair like a free month, filling month. You can use this hair. You just go on your salon and you just wash your hair, and you can do repair. Okay guys, so I hope you're going to choose any design you want here, but today I bring for you micro twists and simple braids. See you for next video.